Warm water bidet toilet seats have become a mainstay in bathroom hygiene for comfort, hygiene, and accessibility. They offer an alternative to toilet paper with features like adjustable warm water temperature, heated seats, self-cleaning nozzles, and air drying, which can improve daily comfort and reduce toilet paper waste. In this comparison, I tested 5 models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, considering usability, reliability, water temperature stability, nozzle action, energy efficiency, installation ease, and long-term value. Product number 1. Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. FVZ delivers a fully electric, elongated bidet seat with on-demand warm water, a 3-level heated seat, and a wireless remote plus a side control for everyday use. It includes front, rear feminine wash options, a self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle, and a quiet mode for discretion. The 220V specification and robust feature set positions it as a high-end, family-friendly option aimed at comfort and accessibility. Performance-wise, FVZ emphasizes comprehensive cleansing with multiple wash modes and a self-cleaning nozzle that supports contact-free hygiene. Product number 2. Upgrade Bidet Toilet Seat Elongated. Rent offers an elongated, remote-controlled electric bidet seat with unlimited warm water and an IPX4-rated waterproof design. The model emphasizes temperature display, adjustable water temperature, and memorable nozzle positions, along with a heated seat and warm air dryer. It targets users seeking precise control via an LED digital display and a strong emphasis on customizable wash settings. Performance-wise, Rent's feature set centers on a high-contrast LED display for temperature and nozzle position, plus an energy-saving mode and anti-leak protection. Product number 3. Levy Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Levy represents a premium, fully electric bidet seat with dual control, remote and side panel, multiple spray modes, and integrated features like an auto LED nightlight and antibacterial carbon filter. It emphasizes an ergonomic heated seat, extended warm water wash cycles, and a robust 3-year warranty, signaling durability and high-end user experience. Performance-wise, Levy delivers a comprehensive suite, pulsing and oscillating spray options, fully adjustable pressure and nozzle position, and a strong warm water and drying cycle. The dual control system is ideal for households with varying needs, including pregnant users or elderly family members. Product number 4. Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Rivix E300 is a feature-rich elongated bidet seat with a focus on value, offering heated seats, multiple cleaning modes, rear and feminine, self-cleaning nozzles, and an integrated LED nightlight at approachable price. Its memory mode recalls last-use settings, and the soft-close lid reduces noise. Performance-wise, Rivix emphasizes ease of use and quiet operation. The 3-temperature water range, 95 to 100 degrees F, and 3 pressure levels provide sufficient customization for most users, while memory mode ensures consistency across sessions. Product number 5. Luxe Bidet Neo 320. Luxe Bidet Neo 320 is a non-electric bidet attachment that converts a standard 2-piece toilet into a warm water cleansing system. It offers dual nozzles for rear and feminine wash, adjustable water pressure, and a self-cleaning nozzle with a guard gate. Its simplicity and affordability make it an attractive option for budget-conscious users seeking basic but reliable warm water cleansing. Performance-wise, Neo 320 relies on a sink-sourced warm water supply, which means performance can be sensitive to household plumbing and water temperature. The dual nozzle design provides distinct wash targets, and the guard gate protects the nozzles when not in use.